This year's version. It's over here. Hold on. Sexy steam whistle. Stay tuned. Alright guys, their slogan used to be way back then, doing one thing and one thing well. Now they do a blue can, that's a Pilsner. They got a few different beers out there right now. Steam Whistle Pilsner. Well, okay, so the blue can was it a lager then? Okay, I don't know. Anyways, it's 5% of alcohol in Toronto. They bought out Bowes Brewery out in Ottawa, and my cat's going nuts. New can design. I do have one issue. Is this worth $4? I beg to differ, man. No. This is $4 now. Why? I would buy Steam Whistle all the time if I could get a tall can of Steam Whistle for $2.60 a can. But no, it's $4. No, I'm not buying it for $4. All right, let's give it the appropriate glassware too, right? Let's sure. Look. And I've been to the Roundhouse, and man, okay, I gotta just rinse this out. It hasn't been used since about 5 months ago when I had a steam whistle. Hold on. I'm here, guys. All right, so inappropriate glassware. Will this fit the whole can? No effing way. No effing way. This has got to be a small or a bottle. Let's see. Let's see. Maybe I'm totally wrong again. Looks are deceiving. Are you kidding me? Okay. It literally, like I literally have 1 inch left in the can. How does this hold a tall can? That's dumb. To me, that like hold on, I'll go get this glass. The one I got, that's the biggest and heaviest one I have. I'm over here, by the way. The biggest and heaviest one I got. Side launch, I had the Christmas gift set. That holds a tall can too. Look at the size difference. I am so confused. Okay? Yeah. Just let me put this back before a cat knocks it over. Or me, stupid me, right? Over here again. And the weather outside is frightful. Yeah. You should literally, hold on. You know what? I might as well, before I get to this review. It hasn't stopped for days. It's been shoveled. But we literally have probably, I don't know, 18 inches right now. 18 inches? Oh yeah, it's still going. I just wanted to show you my grills, guy. Yeah, just the grills. The new one going there in a couple months. That one will go on the grass, but I'm still going to be using it. All right, so yeah, so looks are deceiving. So let me do this because the head's gone. Let me see if I could get the whole can in there. Literally, just a little. Yeah. Okay. All right, let's go for a sniffy poo. I cannot believe that fits a tall can. Just your adjunct lager. It's a Pilsner, but you know, a little bit of malt, a little bit of sweetness, maybe a little bit of crab apple in there. Like I said, and I never look back on what I gave this last year, a year before. Never. Okay, guys, just want to give you that heads up. That looks good. I got to get into it. Cheers. Always a classic. That's not worth $4, but it's worth $2.75 the most. Because of craft beer, yes, I get it. They need their money, but come on, man. Lower the, especially Pilsners, lagers, and the blue can is a lager. I'm sorry, the blue can is a lager. Your lagers, I know it's the hardest to make, but do me a favor. Lower your prices. That's the main thing. Because that's why I keep going to the macros. Now, that's fantastic. It's got that nice little bit of like a red delicious apple, just a little bit. Nice, nice little roughness going down. It's good tasting. I haven't had one in a while. It's fantastic. Do I like this better than my Laker Ice? No. To be honest, my macro Laker Ice is better than this. Um, but this is fantastic. This is why I go to that and not always this. Now, if you guys would see on the side here, there it is. Right in the bottom there. Can you read that? It says 3FG. Okay, that means the owners are three fired guys from previously breweries that fired them. They created steam whistle, and then they're rocketing, and trust me, they're a huge corporation. They own Bose, and trust me, Bose is big too. But when you start owning other breweries, it means you got some money in your pocket. Is it a good beer? It's fantastic. For a craft, yes. If this was a macro, then I'd get a little lower score. But I got 4 categories: girly drinks, over the ocean, craft, and macro. And as a craft, I'm going to give that an 8 out of 10. It's a good one for a craft. It's just not Laker Ice craft. Does that make any sense? Be kind to your neighbors. Try something different. Let me move cans out of the way. And stay tuned to the next. Thanks for stopping by. I'm going to sip on this one. Mm-hmm.